Let's take a quick look at the term GDP, also known as Gross Domestic Product, and its significance for our economy. GDP is a vital indicator of a nation's economic health. It's the total sum of the monetary or market value of all goods and services produced within a country's border in a specific time period. So, you may ask, what exactly forms this GDP? Well, it's a sum of four key components. Firstly, we have consumption, the total spend of households on goods and services. Secondly, we have investment, which is business expenditure on infrastructure and inventory. Thirdly, there's government spending on public services and infrastructure. And finally, net exports, which is exports minus imports. Each plays a part in the grand economic symphony that is GDP. Now that we know what makes up GDP, let's explore how it's measured. Measuring GDP may seem complicated, but it's actually straightforward. We use two main methods, the income approach and the expenditure approach. The income approach adds up everyone's earnings, from wages to profits. On the other hand, the expenditure approach sums up all spending, from your morning coffee to government infrastructure projects. Both methods should, in theory, produce the same GDP figure. So think of GDP as a giant economic pie, and these methods as different ways to slice it. But wait, there's more to GDP than meets the eye. Ever heard of real and nominal GDP and wondered what's the difference? Nominal GDP is the raw economic output of a country, without any adjustments. It's like seeing the world without your glasses on, a bit blurry. On the other hand, real GDP is nominal GDP, adjusted for inflation. It's the clear-eyed, glasses-on view. It shows us the true health of an economy, giving a more accurate picture. That's why understanding the difference is crucial. So there you have it, the difference between real and nominal GDP. Because GDP provides a direct indication of the health and growth of the economy, businesses can use GDP as a guide to their business strategy. GDP also enables central banks to judge whether the economy is contracting or expanding and whether it needs a boost or a restraint. To sum it up, we've explored GDP, dissecting its components, understanding how it's measured, and distinguishing between real and nominal GDP. Now, the next time you hear the term GDP, you'll know exactly what it means and why it's so crucial.